in this particular question, we are going to actually look at a system of equations that you are supposed to solve by substitution. But first, we have to set it up. Now, the question says Heather has been offered two options for her salary. Okay, and she's a trainer at the gym. Option A says it'll pay her $20,000 plus $20 for each training session. Option B will pay her only $6,000, but it'll pay $45 for each training session. How many training sessions would make the salary options equal? That is going to be interesting because if she can estimate how many training sessions she will offer, she'll be able to offer that. That way she can decide between the two options. Okay, but we want to see, okay, how many training sessions would there be so that the two options are actually the same. Now, X is going to be the number of training sessions and Y will be her salary. We want to translate the sentence for option A. Her salary is $20,000, which is called a fixed cost. Fixed cost is something that does not depend on the number of items you sell or produce or whatever. This is something that she will earn no matter what. The gym hired her, it's going to pay her $20,000 no matter what. But then it's also going to pay her plus $20 per training session. So if you have X training sessions, that's the variable cost. You're going to multiply that by X to get the total amount of money she will earn, right? Because if you're given 5 training sessions and $20 for each, you multiply it by 5. If it's X, you multiply by X. And the total, the cost equation or her salary will be 20,000 plus 20x. That'll be equal to her salary. But remember, her salary is Y. And that we can translate this first sentence as Y equals 20,000 plus 20x. Let's go ahead and type that here. For the second equation, it is going to be identically the same. It's just at different numbers. Okay, now how do you solve this? You are expected to be able to solve something like this by yourself on a test. Be ready for that. Okay, now we're gonna solve this by substitution. Do you see that both of these are equal to the same y? And what you can do is just take this right here, the expression for y, and substitute it in place of y. What are you gonna get? You're going to get 20,000 plus 20x equal to 6,000 plus 45x. How would I solve this for x? Okay, first step, we want to move all the numbers on one side and all the variables on the other side. In this case, I think it'll be more convenient to subtract 6,000 from both sides so we don't have to deal with negative numbers. So we're going to do that first. That is going to cancel it here. Now 20,000 minus 16,000, that would give me 14,000 plus 20x equal to 45x. Remember, we want to move all the variables on one side. So in this particular case, I want to have the number on the left-hand side. That's going to be my number side. And the variable side is going to be my right-hand side because I didn't want the negatives. I'm going to subtract 20x from both sides. That is going to cancel it here. And we're going to get 14,000 equal to 45 minus 20, which is 15x. 45 minus 20 is not 15, that's 25. I'm sorry. Okay, so I corrected myself. Yeah, so this is going to cancel right here. And then it's going to be 14,000 divided by 25. All right, let's see if we can open a calculator in a sidebar and go ahead and do that. So 14,000 divided by 25 is going to be 560.